Hey Belmont 4th graders, this is Miss Verman here with you today. I'm going to be going through the water features of Virginia with you as a review for this week. I know quite a few of you don't have your journal, so this is here to help support you. Alright, so water features of Virginia. Here's the wonderful state of Virginia. And we have Potomac River, the Rappahannock River, the York River, the James River, the Chesapeake Bay River, the Eastern Shore, and the Atlantic Ocean. And as we start out looking at the rivers, we first have the Potomac River that goes along the northern border of Virginia. Remember, the city of Alexandria is on the Potomac. The next river that we have is the Rappahannock River. Fredericksburg is along this river, as you can see. Next we have the York River, and of course along the York River is Yorktown. And last but not least, we do have the James River, and Jamestown is along this river. You can remember the order of the rivers starting from the top going to the bottom of Virginia. Two different ways. You can use please remember your journal, or you can say, please recycle your junk. Either one works. It's just a support and helping you remember the order of the rivers. All right, last but not least, we do have the Chesapeake Bay right here in the pinkish color. We have the Atlantic Ocean in the purple. And then we have the Eastern Shore. All right. All right, so I'm going to read this off to you. The Potomac River is located in the northern part of the state. It is separate from the Rappahannock by yet another peninsula of land that flows downhill into the Chesapeake Bay. Alexandria, another historical city, is located along the river. The Rappahannock is located north of the York River. These two rivers are also separated by a peninsula of land. The Rappahannock, like the James and the York, flows downhill into the Chesapeake Bay. The historic city of Fredericksburg is located along this river. The York River is located north of the James River. It is separated from the James River by a narrow peninsula. The York River also flows downhill into the Chesapeake Bay. Yorktown, is located along this river, and it is another important city in history. The James River is located in the southern part of the state. The source of this river is the Blue Ridge Mountains. As the James River flows towards the east, it crosses the Piedmont region, crashes over the rapids of the Fall Line into the coastal plain, and eventually empties into the Chesapeake Bay. Richmond, the capital of Virginia, and Jamestown are two major cities located along this river. The Chesapeake Bay is separated from the Atlantic Ocean by a peninsula of land called the Eastern Shore. A peninsula, remember, is a piece of land bordered on three sides by water. The Chesapeake Bay provided the early ships a safe harbor from the crashing waves of the ocean. It is also a source of food and transportation, and it flows into the Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean was important to the history and settlement of Virginia. It provided a route from the continent of Europe to the North American continent for early explorers. It also continued to provide transportation links between Virginia and places such as Europe, Africa, and the Caribbean. Each of these water features provided sources of food and transportation and a pathway for the exploration and settlement of Virginia. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is an overview of the water features here in your journal. All right, I'm hoping that you're staying safe and staying healthy and that you're doing well. Thank you.